Hello, I'm Jackie. Welcome to my site. When I was younger, I was always interested in music. Not to the point though that I thought I was going to be playing the piano, but I used to visit a couple of old people over the road from us, and Mr. and Mrs. Chad, their names were. And I went over there and I started messing about on their piano the one day. Anyway, it got to a point where Mum and Dad sent me for piano lessons because I was actually making music out of the piano. And I had a teacher called Mr. Jennings, and I had a fabulous time learning piano with him. And basically, I just love music. I mean, my intention though, as I got older, was to do swimming. And I was actually training to be an Olympic swimmer, a front crawl swimmer for the 1980 Olympics. But unfortunately, I broke my back because I was being stupid when I was out playing one day, um, swinging on a rope swing and trying to be clever, and I ended up rolling down this bank, and my back swung on a tree stump, and I broke it, so I couldn't carry on my swimming career. So I threw myself back into music, and I absolutely adore it. I mean, I love messing about on the piano, and I love to hear people play. So, well, there you go. That's about it, really. I love having fun in my lessons, and I just throw myself into the music. So that's it.